Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dashboard in ClickUp. So let's get straight into it. Now open up the dashboard hub. So let's go here on this left side menu and you will see here this plus icon at the top right corner of this sidebar menu. Click on that and then go down where you will see dashboard. So click on that. Now here you can choose the dashboard template. So select from pre-made layouts like here simple dashboard, AI team center, time tracking, AI personal center, project management, start from scratch. So I will go with simple dashboard, data source. So we can select team space. I will do that and create dashboard. And like so. Really good. So we have here status overview, so P or bar chart showing task progress. We have some calculations, also time tracking. We can also do custom charts, line or area. Um, also data source for each card, select the location and so on. So it's really organized. Yeah. And yeah, this is how you can create the dashboard. Then also here at the top right corner, you can add new cards in it. So if you need something, so calculation, as I mentioned, then we have assign. You can also do that. So you have bunch of options what you want to add. Milestone, for example. Sprints, what is this? So here we have sprint task report, sprint burn down, and so on. Tables also we can put in task list, overdue task, milestone. We can see that like that. Status, none, and add card. And as you can see here, now we have add milestone, and it's really nice organized down here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.